MEXC Global is, in my opinion, one of the best crypto exchanges out there, guys, and I'm gonna tell you in this video exactly what it is and why I'm using MEXC Global as my daily exchange here in the crypto space, not only to trade Bitcoin and altcoins, but also to do other stuff. So that's why make sure to be subscribed on this channel, guys. In this channel, I keep you updated every day, whatever is going on here in the crypto space. Of course, also feel free to subscribe here, leave a like, share this video with all your friends and so on. I'm just one to do this video because I'm using MEXC Global as a daily driver basically here, like a car, and also I want to show you what kind of features that are unique here on MEXC Global. So MEXC Global is of course one of the major crypto exchanges out there, not only to trade Bitcoin and altcoins, but also to trade new type of coins with low market cap that are just launching on exchanges, because MEXC Global usually is the first exchange that is listing up all sort of new altcoins, or we can also call it shit coins or whatever. They are low market cap, they are extremely volatile. And this is of course where most chances and opportunities are. So I'm gonna cover this of course also in this video. And remember that everything is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you my own experiences and what I am doing here in the crypto space on a daily basis, because I'm of course a daily trader. I'm trading every day cryptos, and therefore of course I'm always relying to the best exchanges here in the crypto space. In the video description, you're gonna find the link to sign up to MEXC Global. With my link, of course, you get the maximum sign up bonus, deposit bonus, and so on. There are also a lot of trading events, as you can see here. We're not going to cover all of them. There are so many trading events going on all the time, so make sure whenever you buy or sell cryptos, or if you trade cryptos, to be part of such an event, because often then you can claim even more bonuses and rewards here as well. And also I'm just showing you what kind of features that they are here that I'm using every day. Very important, guys. As I told you, this is all no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you my own journey here in the crypto space. And MEXC Global is definitely one exchange that I would use here. I'm having several exchanges. I don't have only MEXC Global. I have also Bybit and many other exchanges. You can sign up to all of them with the links in the video description, because those are all the recommended exchanges that I'm using since years, with high security, high liquidity, and of course also all the cryptos that you want. Now you can also see that there are new trends upcoming, like for example gold and silver trading, because they are very volatile as well recently. Maybe it's not going to be that case for a very long time. Maybe we're going to have a new narrative in the next bull market, like AI stocks or new companies that are upcoming, or new things that we can trade in the future. Those exchanges like MEXC Global, they are always adopting to the latest trends. And this is of course very important, that you have an active exchange like MEXC Global that is doing that. And that's why currently here, also if you want to trade gold, silver, or the latest trend that is ongoing right now on MEXC Global, keeps you covered with that, because it offers always the best things to trade, and of course also the best conditions. For example, also right now you can trade futures and of course also spot trading with 0% or just a little fee to be paid here. So you get here really a great exchange with no fees or very low fees whenever you buy, sell, or trade cryptos going long or short. And once you signed up, you can start by just signing up with the link in the video description. Just put your email, password, and then you're ready to go. You have to confirm your email, and then you're ready to go. You don't need to do KYC right away here on MEXC Global. Only if you trade with bigger amounts, then often they require KYC at some point. But if you just trade with smaller amounts, let's say a few thousands of dollars or something like that, then normally they don't ask for KYC, because those are basically smaller amounts. So you can get started without KYC, but of course doing KYC is always recommended, or just better to use also in case that you know that anyway you're gonna trade with big numbers, with big amount of money, then of course it's good to do KYC. I did here also KYC on MEXC Global, but I also used it for many years without doing KYC. You can of course also download the app and so on, but here what we're gonna cover is the exchange MEXC Global. There is also the DEX feature, so you can use it also as a DEX that you can just connect, for example, your MetaMask wallet or Coinbase wallet or any other wallet that is supported here as well, to not do deposits, but to use it as a DEX, like a decentralized exchange. That means you don't do any deposit, you just connect your DeFi wallet that you have, and then you can trade on that DEX or MEXC Global with that money. Of course, I like to use basically DEXs or do swaps between cryptos directly on my DeFi wallet, but if I want to trade on exchanges, then of course the normal exchange type is the one to go. And this is also what we're going to cover in this video. So once you signed up, you're ready to go basically. On the top here, you find the best features here, the most important ones. And of course, also to get started, you need to do a deposit here. You can do an on-chain deposit, you can deposit some cryptos, but of course, also you can directly buy with Apple Pay, Google Pay, debit card, credit card, and so on. Sometimes they also have special offers and you can basically buy in with fiat with your local currency here. Almost every currency is supported here. Also here in Switzerland, the Swiss franc is supported, and then you can get started. So you can use MEXC Global as an all-in-one exchange. Also, if you're completely new in the crypto space, you can deposit fiat, so your local currency, and immediately start to buy or sell cryptos here. And if you have already cryptos, stable coins or Bitcoin or whatever altcoin, you can also put a deposit here and then immediately start to trade. So you can also use peer-to-peer trading if you want, but of course, if you want to do it the fast way with your fiat, then the global bank transfers or credit card and so on is the easiest thing to do. And then you see your amount here and your wallet here with all your portfolio. You can browse them between all your coins here, the spot wallet, futures wallet, fiat wallet, earn wallet, everything is here accessible. For us, important whenever you want to buy and sell is of course here at the top. Here you see the markets. This is when you click here markets, it's just like an overview of what is hyped right now, what is new right now, and so on. Especially here, whenever you go here to the newest coins, here you can trade all those new coins. That, for example, today PSAI came out, no idea what that is, but it pumped 1000% right at launch. And if you click in this coin in the 15-minute time frame, you can see that if you were buying in the first minutes, then of course here you also would have done a lot of gains because it pumped like crazy. And this is the nature of those new low market cap coins that are launching. You can see also right here, most likely this is the top or at least a consolidation phase. You can see how volatile it is right now to trade that, because lots of people are buying and selling this coin currently in a very short amount of time. Usually those coins they are not really sustainable for the long term. Often they are also dumping in the same day or after a few days. Some of them of course are also sustainable, that they keep pumping. You never know that. So that's why also when you're trading those low market cap coins, no financial advice, but they are there. And here you have access basically to all those new coins that are launching every day. You can tune in here and see the countdown of a new coin that is upcoming. For example, AFRD is coming up in 20 hours. And same like this one over here, or also Power AI, you can immediately trade it from the first minute on. And also this coin over here, you can see at the beginning, massive pump, consolidation, dump, and right now it is pumping again. So those type of price action you get only with low market cap coins that you have directly access here on MEXC Global, guys. And if you want it the more quiet way, or like you want just to trade the top-notch coins like XRP, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, then you go here to spot trading, for example. You can trade meme coins, convert, pre-market trading, MX zone, alpha and so on. There are lots of features here that you can check out, all of them. The most important one is the spot trading, because when you click here, you can select here basically all kind of pairs that you would like to choose, Bitcoin USDT or with USDC or other stable coins. You can browse here through the coin. You can see here the trading view chart where you can also pull out some indicators that you like and so on. And of course, you can go and buy here with the dashboard here on the right side. You can buy with limit orders, market orders, whatever cryptos that you want. So this is how easy it is. You're gonna see then also the orders down here, open orders, history, trade history, and so on. So you can see everything here below as well. Then the other important one is, of course, here if you go to futures, because here you can trade with leverage. That means with your stable coins, for example, you can go long or short. You're just kind of betting if the price is going up or down. You can make gains like that. Of course, there's also high risk involved, because you could get liquidated if it goes to the right, to the wrong direction. But if you trade well, if you're a good trader, experienced trader, then of course you can use here USDT and futures. That means that with your stable coins, you can trade whatever coin, even up to 500x, which is of course insane. I go never more than 10x when I'm trading with leverage, always below 10x. But if you're sitting in a profitable trade, then of course you can also increase your trade. And also here you can go with a market order or with a limit order. You can go long and short here as well, which is of course also something great to do in my opinion. So also here, Bitcoin or any other coin, you can trade with leverage and go long and short, even without holding the coin. And this is, of course, something very nice, because whenever you expect, for example, a short-term pump or something like that, or you see Bitcoin is pumping from 65K all the way to 70K, you can go long, for example, with $10. With the 10X, it's $100 trade, and then you can take profits basically once you do enough gains. You close the trade and you get all your profits in USDT, so in stable coins, for example. And this is also how people are making money on the way to the downside, because if you short the market and it's going down, you get USDTs as a reward. So you get more dollars that you can then, for example, use to buy more Bitcoin at cheaper prices. So you win money going down and also you spend it to buy cheaper Bitcoin with this price. For example, no financial advice, but this is what I'm doing, for example, whenever I'm shorting Bitcoin or any other crypto and I'm doing gains like that. It's kind of a win-win situation because you get more money that you can buy even more Bitcoin. Because on markets that are going up, you get more USDTs, but the price of Bitcoin also went up. So you're also going to pay more then. So this is basically the trick whenever things are going down, also how to make money whenever markets are going down. So this is the good feature about futures trading, and that's basically it already, guys, because spot and futures trading, that's the main thing here in the crypto space. If you go here to earn, you can also go here to the earn feature, MEXC global earn feature. You see earn up to 600% APR. Of course, that's not everywhere like that. You can also do Solana staking, Ethereum staking, and so on. But here on MEXC global earn, you can get here some nice API by just holding your cryptos here. You just keep your cryptos here, for example, also with flexible staking. And like that, of course, you also can get some nice percentages here. Yeah, so you can keep basically your cryptos here and get nice passive income. Of course, also no financial advice, guys, but like this, of course, you can here easily also store your cryptos whenever you're not using it. And like that, of course, also get some nice interest basically. And whenever you need the cryptos, you just transfer it here with the flexible version. You can just immediately claim again back your cryptos and start trading here immediately without any lockup period. There are of course also some lockup periods that you can use here, 7 days here, for example, or 30 days and so on. But I would definitely go always with the flexible one, because with that, of course, you can always claim back your cryptos. So that's it for now, guys. Easy and simple exchange to use. Also, where to get access to all those new low market cap coins that are launching straight away. Sometimes they're pumping thousands of percentages. Sometimes they're dumping in the same day. So they are high risk, yes. But if you're looking out for those new low market cap coins, then MEXC Global is the place to trade that. And of course, you can trade all the cryptos that you want, gold, silver, and so on as well. So take advantage of that. There are also regularly some events that you can take advantage of. For example, a Valentine's Day trading event, or in general a European trade event, UK, US, and so on. So check it out, guys. Very, very important. I would definitely use MEXC Global also as a daily exchange. And also, if you want me to cover something special, just leave it in the comment section, guys. And then I'm gonna show you that as well. But otherwise, stay tuned. Be subscribed here, because I update you every day whatever is going on here in the crypto space, also with daily crypto updates on the prices and so on. So thank you for watching, guys. That's it for now. Stay tuned, be subscribed, and sign up to MEXC Global with the link in the video description, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you all in the next one. Bye for now.